What up guys, RETROCENGO here. We're gonna take a closer look at a lot of AMIGA shit. On my previous AMIGA video, I told you guys that the owner of this Commodore stuff, he passed away. And some time ago, a recycling store picked up whatever they could pick up, and a lot of this stuff was just thrown out. Okay, the reason I bought these was they were like 5 AMIGA 2000s and two AMIGA 4000s, and I was interested in the AMIGA 4000s, and he said that nobody wanted this, so I had to buy everything. So as you can see, I got delivered by a friend. I just fast came home from work. It's a snowy day outside. Some of the AMIGAs has got rain because we have to carry it. I just got it home. We got 3 boxes today. Last week I got 5 2000s and 2 4000s and some Commodore 64. So there's not only AMIGA, there's also Commodore 64 here, okay? And today we got these 3 boxes. And all in total in this size, I have bought 8 boxes through the phone. I have absolutely no idea what I have. I have got an AMIGA 1200, that's cool. But go ahead and subscribe. Join us on Patreon because we're gonna check all of this out together. We're gonna just take a quick look here on this video, but the in-depth review and restoration, everything is gonna be on Patreon, right? So we have got an AMIGA 500. How lucky am I? Look at this. It's just so dusty. And as I can see here, it has got the battery here, so it has got water damage here. That just makes my day. Another AMIGA 500, and it has got I'm sure it has got water damage also on the battery, and the PSU for the AMIGAs. That's nice. Vico joystick, that's not, oh, this is heavy. Why is this one so heavy? Commodore 128. Well, that's nice. Oh, look at this. Actually, I'm saying it's nice because finding PSUs for the 128 has not been easy for me, but wow, man, controller for the CD32. How cool is that? And this one has got, auto fire adjustment. This is, oh, another CD32 controller. These cost a bit of money, man, the original ones, if they work. Yeah, and then we have a lot of cable. Oh, what is this? This is some sort of PC joystick. Oh, mouse. I love AMIGA mouses. Yeah, we have got a lot of stuff in here. Nothing really interesting. Vico joystick and oh, nothing interesting. What? My favorite joystick, the zip stick. I love these. Oh, there's a cassette tape. No, this is screws. What is this? DVE. Switching power supply. Well, I have no. Oh, another AMIGA CD32. That's awesome. Awesome. And nothing, and some PSUs, and something down here that's called power supply tester. Well, all right, and another mouse. Quick shot. All right. So over here, we have got the AMIGA 1200, pretty yellowed, but yeah, it's cool. Woo. Over here we have an AMIGA 500. Oh, it's open there, and surely it has got a battery, some sort. I don't want to look at that. What is this? Webcam? No thanks. Manual, no thanks. Junk, Geos, junk, Commodore 64. Maradona? What is this? Nice, junk. Quick shot, this is for a PC, junk. Another 128 power supply unit. That's not junk, it's okay. Power supply for AMIGA. Oh, nice, look at this. This is a 1571. I actually like to restore these, so that's not junk. I'm gonna put that over there. Commodore 64. Multi-modem? Junk. Another what is this? Commodore 1520. Printer of some sort. More junk. A lot of junk in here. Cassette tape. No one cares. Junk. Another junk. Oh, a 1541 drive. I love these. This is not junk. This is gonna stay over here. I like to another AMIGA, man. What is this? Some sort of rewind cable. I said short video. We're like 6 minutes in. EEPROM interface. Junk. What is this? Sinclair ZX Spectrum. Oh, this is the junk they used in UK instead of the Commodore 64. Definitely junk. Let me see here. PC joystick, junk. Oh, this is nice. The bottom side for the AMIGA 500. This one, I think this one was missing it. Let me see. PC joystick. What? Junk. Another AMIGA. We'll go down there, my friend. Hey! We got a Commodore 128. This one looks pretty awesome. That's nice. I had no idea that this was included. Cool. And another Commodore 128. And I think that's about it. Yeah. I have zero interest in any of this. Look at this. This is my Danish Commodore AMIGA Retro PC console page. It's in Danish. I'm in there. I'm here every day. You will see it on the screen now. And all this junk, I don't need it. I don't want it. I will put it up out on sale there. It's in Danish, but you can use Facebook Translate. You're welcome to join. You can write in English, but it's a Danish page, but everybody in Denmark can read English. But so if you're interested in some of this junk, I mean, nice Commodore stuff, join the group. It is a Danish group and nothing more interesting, guys. So I want to say thank you for watching. Oh, look at this. I remember this from the Commodore 64 era. What's it called? Königs. Oh, mouse, man. I can only feel the AMIGA mouse. Wico joystick. Oh, this is the worst joystick in the history of joysticks. I mean, but I think these were included with the console like Commodore 64. What's it called? Commodore 64. Where you could put a cartridge on top. That SX. No, it's not SX. What's it called? I don't remember. But it's a piece of shit. When I get them offered, I always say no thanks. I hate them. It's a Commodore 64 without a keyboard. Caution A500 HD plus GVP. Oh, if that's included here, let's dig in. Wait. Another zip stick. I love it. Another zip stick. I love it. They're so awesome. Another junk joystick. Competition Pro. Again, guys, I don't know what to do about all of this. It's just so much. Hey, another one of these. Sinclair, or what it was called. What was Sinclair ZX81. What the fuck is this? What a piece of shit. Junk, definitely. Oh, yes. I love external drives. This is oh my god. This is... This is the 1581. For years and years I have never seen one of these for sale. And I got it for... Does it use special PS? Oh, it has got... I hope that the power supply is... This is 3.5 inches floppy drive. I have been dreaming about this, man. For the Commodore. Oh, look at this! Yes! Oh, I love this. Hard Drive Plus. You guys know that I love original hardware. I'm not into all that Pi bullshit, emulating shit. That's just not Amiga for me. I don't waste my time with that shit. But, El Cucini. Dansk katalog 1988. Wow. Kære Amiga, ja. Okay. Fagmonitor, litteratur. Bankkort 512 kilobyte. Interessant. Hardware. Commodore 128. Commodore 128 er en 3-i-1 computer, der har 3 forskellige modes eller tilstande, og man derfor siges at være verdens mest alsidige computer. Okay. Darn it, we have so much. What the what? Look at this. CD32 alert. CD32 alert. This is awesome. I mean, I paid for 2 Amiga 4000s. All of this. This is cool. This is cool, and the 1581 is cool, and the come on, man. This another of Z. This is heavy, man. Nice buttons. What am I going to do with this? Let's put it over here. It's gonna come on sale on my Danish page. Is this for the CD32? I think so. Commodore power supply. I think this is for the CD32. Okay, we're gonna test that. We're gonna do all of that on my Commodore, on my Patreon page, because what is this? Amiga. Oh, nice. Another mouse. Oh, yes. Another. Oh, this one is different. Look at this. Let me get up here. This one. ZX81 Interface 1. And it's some kind of bullshit. Yeah. And another one. Come on, man. What am I going to do with this? Look at. Yeah, you're going over there, and we've got some cartridges. This is awesome. The final cartridge, yes. And the final cartridge, yes. That's about it and something. I have absolutely zero idea what it is. And Horizon software pack. Now, because of everything is just, why does he get that with this? That's because everything was just everywhere. And this recycling dude, he just put everything in 8 of these boxes. So go ahead and subscribe. We're gonna check out upcoming videos, 8 of boxes like this. Maybe there's something interesting, just like the 1581. That's cool. And we're also going to look at the Amiga 2000s and the Amiga 4000s. And we have some 1200s, we have some 600s. Yeah, this was a quick look. For you guys that joined me, that support me on Patreon, I love you guys. Thank you very, very much. And for you, if you want in-depth view of all of this fun, come on in. It's just $5, man. Don't be a cheap guy. You use hundreds of euros and dollars of all of this every year. So $5 for this lovely channel documenting all Commodore stuff and Z shit stuff. It's cool. Come on in and join. RETROCENGO out. Now get to the chopper!